How to create Bondex Origin Mining App account in your mobile. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. So first of all, you have to open up your browser. After that, in the search bar, you have to type in search for Bondex. After that, you'll be able to see the various options. So you have to scroll down below until you find Bondex Origin APK download for Android. So you have to tap on it and you have to download it. After tapping on it, you'll be able to see the download APK option. So you have to simply tap on download APK. So you have to simply go for download anyway option, and you can see the file is been downloading. Until it downloads, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. After that, you can see the file has been downloaded, so you have to open it up and you have to install it in your device. So after you install the app in your device, then you'll be able to see the various interface where you can sign up by using your information. And here you can see Bondex is for job board and professional network. You can see the news feeds, and there will be also an educational marketplace, and from there you can get connected with the professionals and get a job or anything. You can sign up over there by uploading your all the informations or emails or also your contact numbers, and by doing that you'll be able to create your account in Bondex. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.